So it's raining here, but we still got work to do, huh?
You need to do projects.
No projects, but we gotta feed animals, right? Yeah, gotta feed animals. The baby's gotta get his bottle. The feed still has to be brought back. Still gotta poke the spider. Boop! And like that in Florida, the rain's gone. So, time to feed the rest of them. The Kinkajous, they get a mix of stuff, because they're basically glorified trash pandas. They get their fresh foods and their monkey biscuits. They get a mix of food every day. And check out the school door. It's like an access door I made for getting in there without having to open the lockout or anything, so they can still stay sleeping and undisturbed. Tutter's still on a diet, so you get boring dinner. I'm sorry, buddy. I know. I know. We gotta give Zink his quail.
Yeah.
We gotta make sure Baka eats. He's a good boy.
Yeah.
What?
Lawyer.
And Iris needs help getting strawberries still.